Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty. Those are 3 pasture-raised eggs. One of the stars of the show, artichoke. These are artichoke halves, which is some heart and some of the thing that you pull. Black and green olives. A little shredded cheese. Some olive oil, a little butter. I'm going to toast some of this beautiful penne bread. It's Tuscan. Mike Foster here. See my fireplace behind me? Look at that. Oh, it's winter. It's time for scramble. It's going to be a very healthy scramble. The only thing unhealthy in here is a little butter and some of that cheese. Everything else is super healthy. Check out my artichoke, black olive, and cheese scramble. Meet you at the stove. Just going to give you just a little. Break all the yolks. That's basically all I'm doing. I'm just breaking the yolks. And then we'll mix the rest of it while it's in there. Next, we're going to put some butter in here. Just about that much. And some olive oil. Mix it around. All right. Throw these artichokes in. I'm going to take these black olives and I'm going to bust them with my fingers like this. That's the easiest way to break them. Put about this much in. When I say this much, probably about 8 or 10. Do the same thing with the green olives. See those babies? Oh, this is going to be a hearty, delicious, gorgeous, killer scramble. I think that's enough. All right, let's mix that in. We just want to put a little heating on, get these a little heated. I got this on medium, by the way. I'll put a little pepper in there. I can't find my fresh black cracked pepper. I don't know where it is. Misplaced it. Smells good. That's a good start. It's ready for those eggs. That's 3. A little more pepper. Let's put a little salt, a couple things. Move it around. All right. While that's happening, we're going to slice a nice piece of bread to eat on the side. There you go. Pop that in the toaster, back to those eggs. All right. These guys want to be ready soon, so when they're like this, I'm going to lower that just a little. But I'm also going to take this time to add that cheese. Oh my goodness, these are going to be a delight. Just a delight. Now the eggs are done. Everything's warmed up. When this cheese is melted, and guess what? This scramble is done. When that toast is ready, we'll get a close-up. Then we'll eat this baby. See you then. All right, there's the finished product. There's the close-up. Can't wait for a big bite. All right, there it is. I can't wait for a bite. Eat some of this with this toast. Here we go. See if we can get something of everything. Oh, that's a good look at that one. The olive, creamy eggs, creamy cheese. Wow. Wow. Oh. Healthy way to start your day. If you really want to add bacon, add it. I don't need to. Try it this way first. And try all my recipes and videos at Live Life 365 on YouTube. Subscribe to that channel, please. Tell people about it. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Then he puts one more. Eggs. What's going on? Baby, I'm filming. Right off, I taste that avocado. All right, here's the bread. We'll do it now. You take it, you put it right here, and then you go like this. Baba. And a sweet babu. Oh. Tastes better with the bread. I want to show you the fireplace. You saw it before. Where is it? There it is. That's pretty, isn't it?